Okay, and the baritone line for Feed the Birds. 2, 3, 4. Early each day to the steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes in her own special way. She calls, "Come buy my bags full of crumbs. Come, little bird, show them you care. Glad if you do. The young ones are hungry, the nests are so bare. All it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the cathedral, the saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can't see it, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence.